Hey, welcome back to my channel, Small Business Resource. This is Jesse Clark, and I'm going to show you today how you can create a drop shipping e-commerce store for free using just 3 different websites. Be right back. Now there are many variations and many different platforms that you can do this, but I'm going to just do the way I've done it. And one is Crello or Vista Create. The second one is Printful. It's it's an on-demand product fulfillment center where you can drop ship and sync with other e-commerce stores, or you can print stuff for yourself. The last one is, of course, you're going to sell these products on Etsy. Again, I'll list some other alternatives for you at the end in the description. But meanwhile, let's get right into, here we go. We have Vista Create, what used to be Crello. And through AppSumo, which it's a discounted software website, which I'll put that link in the description as well. But here it's very similar to Canva, but you're going to, and I'm on the pro version, which it's pretty affordable, but you get in here and you can create designs. They have templates and stuff already set up for you. And so you can see that I create designs for a lot of different stuff, and then I just put them in a folder here. So I have my logo and I can even download it. So let's go into an actual project that I have. And here's where I have designed it. You can go through, and this video is not to go into the details, but just to show you kind of my process. So I'm going to have the project here, and I can go to download it. And this is important here. You can do a JPEG, PNG, or a PNG transparent. Now I always recommend PNG transparent so it does not have the background. So when you put it into the product fulfillment software or the website, you can put it on different colors and you won't have that white background behind it. Okay, so this is Vista Create, or formerly known as Crello. You can also do it with Canva if you have a Canva account. So once you have that image, you're going to go right in here to, it's called Printful. So you set up an account, and I'm going to get signed in. Okay, so here is Printful. Here is the back end, and you can see I've got I just started this Printful, using this Printful product fulfillment. So I got an order a few days ago. You can go in here and product templates. This is where you're going to choose all of your apparel, accessories, backpacks. You can see that I've using that my shop consists of mugs and all different types of things. So if you want to just create a new product, you're going to go in here and you're going to choose what type of product you want to put your logo on. So real quick, let's just walk through one. I'm going to go here to a jacket, and let's just choose this Champion Bomber jacket. Now it says right here, drop your design in here. I'm going to click this so I can go, and let's just choose one that I already have. Let's go in here, mugs and hugs. Let's try this one. And you can see it doesn't look real good on the black because of course I have black font, but I can go in here and I can change the background to, okay, so I even went in here and I changed the thread background so I can make it look like this. So I have here, you can go in here to make all the adjustments that you want, but you don't have to have a logo. You can actually add your own text, clip art, etc. So once you have that, you have this the way you want it, you're going to go over here to continue, and here is where this could be a whole nother video, but when you go selling on Etsy or any other website, the product title, the description, and the tags can either make or break you. So I'm going to put in a website that helps you with the SEO on those things at the end. It's called eRanked. It's one I use, and I'll put that down in the description. That helps you decide, okay, what is trending? What kind of keywords are people looking for? How do I want to optimize my product before I even sell it. Otherwise, no one will ever find you on Etsy because there's thousands and thousands of other competitors on that website. So once I have that, you can choose all sizes. You're going to save that product template. So that's going to show back up here on your product template. And when you're ready to rock and roll, you're going to go here to add to store. Okay, so I've already set up an ecwid site and an Etsy store. Okay, you're going to go right here to stores, and you can see I've got my ecwid store and my Etsy store. I've changed the name since then, but that's fine. If you want to choose another platform, you just go down here to choose platform, and you can see these are all of the e-commerce stores, that e-commerce platforms that you can actually connect to. So once you're connected to that, like I said, you're going to go right back to the product you just created, and you're going to go to add store. I simply click on this and sync it, and then it is going to go into our third platform, which is Etsy, and I've already set that up. And you're going to go here to listings, and it will pull up right in here as draft. So once it's in here as draft, you can then go in there, make sure that you've set everything up, and make sure that the titles and the keywords and the tags are the way you want them before you publish the actual listing, which is going to cost you 20 cents every time you publish a new product on Etsy, which there's a lot of fees with both. Just to give you a scenario on how much I made on a $37 or a $37 sweatshirt. It costs me $37 to have Printful produce it and send it out. Okay, the seller pays for shipping. You can choose that, but I have the seller paying for the shipping. So with $37, if I want to make a profit of $10, I'll have to sell it for probably about $53 inside Etsy, because they're going to have about $3, $4, $5 in fees itself. So this is all designed for selling quantity, or if you want to make more money, you're going to buy your own tools, screen prints, heat presses, things at home, and do it yourself and ship it out. That is actually not, though, drop shipping. That's a whole other ball game. So if you want to just create a design, upload it, publish it to Etsy, and just automate the whole process and not have to pay a dime, you're only bringing in profits, autopilot, this is the way to go. So this is drop shipping with just 3 different websites. Make sure you look in the description for a bunch of different resources to get started. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you next time.